Welcome to my modern and cozy apartment. I've been living here alone for almost a year now, and it's a 600 square foot one bedroom space on the 5th floor. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it the perfect place to work, relax, and unwind. Let me take you on a tour. Walking into the apartment, the first room on the right is the kitchen. It is compact, but very convenient when cooking as everything is easily within reach. Right here, I have this kitchen counter with 2 bar stools, which also doubles as my dining area. Since I live alone and wanted to maximize the limited space in the apartment, I decided not to get a dining table, so this is where I eat most of my meals, and honestly, it works perfectly for me. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the essentials: a fridge, dishwasher, stove, and oven, making it easy to cook and clean up after meals. Next to the stove, I have an espresso machine, which is a lifesaver for me as I drink around 4 to 5 espressos per day. I also have plenty of cabinets for storage, which helps to keep everything organized and clutter-free. Now, moving into the living room. This is definitely my favorite space in the apartment. It's where I relax, watch TV, and sometimes even get some work done. The goal was to make it feel modern and cozy with a mix of clean design and warm and natural tones. The green Berlin sofa from Rove Concepts is the centerpiece of the room and probably my favorite piece in the entire apartment. The deep green color adds a bold yet calming touch, creating a nice contrast with the lighter wood tones and neutral decor. The clean modern lines give it a sleek look, while the plush cushions make it incredibly comfortable for lounging after a long day. The size is perfect for this space, and because it's a modular design, it can be adjusted to give it more depth or length depending on what you want. In front of the sitting area, I have a 2-piece coffee table setup from Must. The Mensa oak wood coffee table as the main piece, and the Mensa wood side table for extra functionality. The natural wood tones add warmth to the space, and the 2 different sizes add some additional versatility. Next to the coffee tables is the Mia lounge chair from Rove Concepts. This is the pearl color, which comes in this textured fabric they call Chateau Bouclé and feels soft but also very durable. The accent chair is usually a conversation piece, and everyone who comes here absolutely loves it. I have it facing the coffee tables, and when I'm alone, this is usually where I'll sit to relax while having some coffee or reading, which is very nice when I have the blinds open during the day. Behind the sofa, I have the Stockholm mirror from IKEA. I love the design of this mirror, and apart from being visually appealing, it helps reflect light and makes the space feel even more open. It also does a great job at filling in the space on the wall between the frame and the shelf without making it feel overcrowded. Next to the sofa, I have a minimalist overhead lamp from Bouclair, which I've set up with a Hue light bulb so that it can be controlled from the Hue app or Google Home. I plan on making a more detailed video on the smart lighting alone, so I will talk more about it then. For now, I'll just say that this lamp adds to the aesthetic and functionality of the space, and it looks absolutely amazing. Tying everything together is the Quantum rug from Must. The soft texture adds a layer of coziness, making the living area feel more inviting, while its neutral tone contrasts nicely with the sofa and coffee tables, complementing the room's overall vibe. Across from the sofa, I have a 77-inch Sony Bravia 8 TV hovering over the Athena media console from Rove Concepts, which keeps everything organized with a clean and minimal design. The TV is paired with the Sony Theater Quad Bravia speakers and a Sony wireless subwoofer, providing 360 spatial sounds mapping. This setup is somewhat overkill for an apartment, but delivers an incredible surround sound experience, making movies, music, and even casual TV watching feel way more immersive. I will be making a video specifically for the entertainment setup, so I will go into more details on the TV and sound system in that video. Between the living room space and the desk setup, I have the Kiel wooden bookshelf from Must, which not only serves as a stylish storage piece, but also helps subtly divide the living room from my desk setup. The open shelving design keeps everything light and airy, while still offering plenty of space to display books, decor, and a few personal items. I've styled it with a mix of my favorite books, some small plants, decor, and decorative pieces to add a bit of character. The warm wood tones tie in very nicely with the rest of the space, making it both a functional and aesthetic addition to the room. This is by far one of my favorite pieces in the space. Moving over to my desk setup, this is where I spend a lot of time working, editing videos, and just getting things done. The foundation of the setup is the Ergonoffice Sway standing desk in white oak. The natural wood finish looks great, and the build quality is extremely solid. A standing desk is a must for me, as it allows me to switch between sitting and standing, which is a game changer for productivity as well as to prevent back pain. For sitting, I have the U2 chair from Ergonoffice in a custom color that fits the aesthetic of the setup. It's ergonomic, comfortable, and provides great support for long hours at my desk. At the center of the setup is the LG Ultra Gear 39-inch OLED 240Hz curved monitor. The large screen size and curvature are great for me when I'm editing, working, gaming, or just multitasking. The OLED panel delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors, making it great for videos as well with stunning visuals. For audio, I'm using the Audio Engine HD5 speaker cabinets with an S6 subwoofer, and for recording voiceovers I use the Shure MV7X microphone, all connected to the Focusrite iTrack Solo audio interface, which makes it very easy to control. Since I often work here at night, lighting is very important for this workspace, which is why I have a Philips Hue light strip behind the desk and two Philips Hue play bars behind the monitor. The PC I'm currently using is an MSI Zero cable build on the MSI Z790 Project Zero motherboard. Because the cables are completely hidden, this PC has a super clean and minimal look, giving the setup a super sleek and uncluttered feel. To complete the look, I have a metal poster from IKEA that was put inside a white canvas, also from IKEA. And on the right I have these shelves from IKEA which I use to hold some Funko Pops, books, and some other decorative pieces. These small details make the workspace feel a little more personal and inspiring without adding too much clutter. Overall, I really like this setup as it's designed to be ergonomic, clean, and visually appealing, making it the perfect place to stay focused and productive throughout the day. I made a dedicated video on the desk setup, so make sure to watch that video if you want to know more details about it. I wasn't sure in which part of the video to include this, but I do have this sideboard in between the bathroom and the bedroom, just to kind of fill in the space of the wall there. I have a frame on it, this lamp, the Google Home, and this little tray where I keep my keys, wallet, watches. And inside I have my work laptop, and I also have some things from the vacuum, some of the replacements, filters, things like that. A few chargers in there, nothing much. And on the side I do have some plants to also fill in the remaining space. But yeah, this is just here to fill in the space between the bathroom and the bedroom door, so that's pretty much it. Moving into the bedroom, it is a minimal design, cozy and functional while maintaining a clean modern aesthetic. Since it's a smaller space at 11 feet by 9 feet, it was important to keep things uncluttered and efficient. The centerpiece is the Ophelia bed from Rove Concepts in Pearl Chateau Bouclé, the same fabric as the lounge chair in my living room. I find that this fabric adds a warm, inviting feel, making the space feel comfortable and stylish. On either side of the bed, I have the wishbone nightstands, also from Rove Concepts. These have a simple yet elegant wood design, adding a bit of natural texture to the space. And made from solid wood, they feel very high quality and have a soft close mechanism that adds to the premium feel. On top of each nightstand, I placed the Sonos Symphony speaker lamps from IKEA, which seamlessly blend lighting and sound into one. These are using Hue light bulbs, which allow me to control the lights from my phone or from Google Home. I've also started using automation for these lights, which helps me wake up without an alarm as they gradually turn on automatically at a preset time. The nightstand speakers are also fully synced with the Sonos Beam soundbar, creating an immersive stereo audio setup for watching movies, listening to music from bed, or even playing my PS5. The TV is a 55-inch Sony Bravia 3, which has an LCD panel with 4K HDR at 60Hz. Because I don't watch too much TV in the bedroom, this is perfect as I don't need something crazy like an OLED panel. Now, the closets. These are from IKEA, and I'll link the reference number in the description if you're interested. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I have enough drawers for all my things, enough space for all my clothes to hang or fold, and even room for shoes or some extra boxes. I even have a few jerseys and boxes on top of the closets. As for lighting, I have this closet light from IKEA which fits right in and can be controlled by this wireless switch, as well as a LifeX strip right in front which is controlled from my phone. And both of these lights do a great job illuminating the space inside the closet, making it very easy to see what you're looking for. To finish off the space, I have this Nisedel mirror from IKEA in black, which helps reflect light and makes the room feel a bit more open, as well as this plant from IKEA which completes the look. As for the bathroom, I didn't make any changes there, but it's actually quite spacious, which is something I appreciate. The layout is clean and functional, making it both practical and visually appealing. I have plenty of storage cabinets, which is great for keeping everything organized. And the shower is enclosed with glass, giving it a sleek and modern look while making the space feel even more open. And one of my favorite things of this apartment is that the washer and dryer are neatly tucked away in a separate room within the bathroom, which keeps everything out of sight and makes doing laundry super convenient. The other place I can show you is the entrance closet, although it's currently a mess, so I'll only show it for one quick second. So that was all for today's video. I plan on making dedicated videos to go into more details later on for each room, so for now, I wanted to give you an overview of the new apartment. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.